Sit back and enjoy the promo video.
What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving deep into the world of high-frequency trading, but with a twist. I'm not talking stocks or crypto, I'm talking about energy. Specifically, I'm looking at a powerful FastAPI application for energy trading, and I'll break down what it is, who it's for, and how it's revolutionizing the way energy is bought and sold. So, what exactly am I looking at here? Imagine a super fast, super efficient platform that lets you trade energy contracts programmatically. That's what this FastAPI application is all about. It's a REST API, which means it's a standardized way for computers to talk to each other over the internet. This API is the backbone of an energy trading platform. Instead of a human trader clicking buttons on a screen, this API allows developers to build applications and bots that can execute trades at lightning speed. This platform is likely designed to handle the fast-paced nature of the modern energy market. I'm talking about automating physical gas and power logistics, managing your energy portfolio in the short term, and even balancing the grid. It's all about making energy trading more efficient, more automated, and ultimately, more profitable. You might be wondering, who on earth uses something like this? Well, the audience is pretty specialized, but they're key players in the energy sector. Energy traders and utilities. These are the big players. They're buying and selling large amounts of energy to meet demand. This API lets them automate trading strategies, react to market changes in real time, and manage portfolios with incredible precision. Algorithmic traders and developers. If you're a developer with a knack for trading, this is your playground. You can build trading bots, test algorithms, and find new ways to capitalize on market opportunities. The REST API is language agnostic, so code in Python, Java, whatever you like. Financial analysts in the energy sector can pull historical data, analyze market trends, and build predictive models. This is crucial for understanding market volatility and making informed forecasts. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What can this FastAPI app actually do? Trade management. Create trades programmatically, list all trades for auditing and analysis, and pull up specific trade details by ID. Market data and analysis. Get real-time market data, plus query for historical trade data to backtest strategies. Automation and algorithmic trading. Write scripts that execute trades automatically based on predefined conditions. For example, if the price of natural gas drops below X, buy Y amount. This means 24/7 trading with no human needed. Portfolio management. Features to manage your overall energy position so you stay balanced and avoid unnecessary risks. So there you have it. A powerful, flexible, and essential tool for anyone involved in the energy market. This FastAPI application is a perfect example of how modern technology is transforming traditional industries, making them more efficient and data-driven than ever before. If you're a developer, a trader, or just a tech enthusiast, I highly recommend checking out the documentation for APIs like this. It's a fascinating look into the future of energy trading.